guys, welcome back to the channel. We are T-minus less than a week before our first track day. The FRS is almost ready. But today what we're going to do is something pretty cool. And that is, with these new brakes on and these new sticky tires, we need to put some ceramic coating on our track wheels. The problem with nice white rims is they show the brake dust really bad. On the other gunmetal ones, not quite as bad, but we're gonna do this. We got some Avalon King, so stay with us. Let's get after this. Okay, I fully admit I've never done ceramic coating before, thus the apron, and I'm expecting I'm gonna make a mess. First step apparently is to clay bar. These rims have already been washed before we went and had the wheels put on, so they should be fairly clean. But we'll give it a good cleaning. Then I think it's isopropyl alcohol. And finally, we got this really nice Avalon King. And what I've heard is the presentation's amazing. Oh, apply, smile, and enjoy. That's nice. Oh, look at that. Opening up the box, you can see they give us not only the ceramic coating, the light here a little bit better, and also there's cloths. Must be a buffing cloth, be an applicator, hey, sticker, you know, because that adds 5 horsepower right there. Gloves and the instruction manual. So I need to go through this and understand exactly what they're looking for. Oh, layering, look at that detail. We'll check it out, see how this goes. Really want to try and protect these rims, mostly because I'm lazy and I don't want to clean rims and pull them apart with racing brake dust all over them. But let's get after this. Okay, first things first, we're just going to give it a quick wipe down with some speed chime from Griots. Apparently my ball's dented. And then microfiber cloth that way, and then we hit it with the clay bar. We're going to use the McGuire's this time.
That's good.
Okay, so you can see on the back of the barrel here, there's lots of little marks. These are leftover, I think, marbles from the racetrack. We pick them up all the time, chasing down Porsches. Okay, we got the back barrel all cleaned off. I actually went ahead and used some of the 3M adhesive remover that we used to actually take the livery off of Twin 6 last year. I'll link that video here. But what we did is actually went through, took off all the old sticky stuff from the weights. Now, I do think I'm gonna have a bit of a problem. That is, wheels for track use have to be balanced a lot. Or all the time rather, because we do pick up so much chunks of rubber and stuff like that on the race surface that they need to be rebalanced. So I might have to just do a light coat in the inner barrel and then tell Kyle that they need to do a little sanding just before they put something on. But anyways, give it a try, see what it's like. So next we're gonna clay bar this and get it cleaned up. After that, polished, and then we probably would be putting gloves on so we're not cross-contaminating it when we do the isopropyl alcohol to get off all the wax or any grease. Okay, let's hit it with the clay bar. So one of the big things is you gotta keep this stuff lubricated at all times. So we're gonna use their quick detailer and brand new piece of clay. Okay, so we got the clay bar done on the outside of the barrel. Sorry, outside of the rim. And it looks really nice. You can still see there's a few little spots like in here that I'm just not going to be able to get out. Those are actually rock chips into the paint, into the surface. So What we're going to do is go ahead and use this supplied microfiber towel. Okay, we've clay barred the back of the barrel now, and as you can see, it took a lot of stuff off. So again, I think this wheel is the one I had repaired. Minor discontinuity into it, but definitely a lot of junk on the back of these things. So we will give it a little polish as well. Okay, those look a lot better. Wow. So these are significantly more clean than when we started off. I did notice I got a little bit of marring on the outside of one of them. I'm gonna see if I have a paint pen that can kind of touch that up with. But after that, gonna let them dry, and then we're gonna hit them with the isopropyl alcohol in preparation for the final step, which is actually putting on the ceramic coating. This is only 70 weight because of pandemics. Apparently we're out of the 90 up here. So anyways, try this. Basically degrease and then apply. Okay, from here on out, I think it's wise that we go gloves only. Okay, here we go. We're going to put 10 to 12 drops on this, and what it is the applicator foam with one of these nice fibers wrapped around it like that. So make it tight. There we go. And then just dab it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we go. Let's give it a try. I'm going to do the outside first. Okay, so it's really hard to see, but I can actually kind of see where the sheen is. I'm going to add a little bit more just because of the different curves on this. Try to be able to get a better spread. Okay, so got the first layer on. To get some of these more intricate spots, I actually just took the cloth itself, applied a little bit, and then kind of ran it using my fingers. I'm not sure if it's the right way to do it, but it's supposed to kind of fill them up for 1 to 4 minutes, and then we buff it off. But we'll know when we actually do it. So anyways, that's how I did it. Trial and error. We're going to see how it works. Okay, let's buff it off now. See how it goes. Gosh, it feels so smooth. Oh, wow. It kind of hazed up a little bit, but it's really hard to see on the white versus like a dark color like, I don't know, Forerunner. Okay, so for the barrel, flip the wheel over already. We're going to go back to the applicator block. I think this is going to work out just because it's a smoother, larger surface. So one of the other things it said to do is actually do it in a cross pattern, so we're going to do that. Okay, we got everything buffed off now. Looks like it's time to actually take the wheel and test it on the car. Okay, there you have it. Wheels on. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So really happy with how this turned out. And very excited to get back on the track. So that's going to conclude this episode. We're pretty much prepared for the track. Last thing to do is an oil change. Let's be frank, you guys didn't really enjoy the last oil change on the Forerunner. So gonna do a quick one on the FRS, get it ready to go. Brakes are bled, new pads, new rotors, wheels are set up. All we gotta do is actually clean out the inside of it and see if we can pack 4 of these wheels up to Edmonton. If not, we're just gonna run the R888s on the highway. So All good. Until next time, please nail that subscribe button. Gently tap that like, and of course, comment on what you think of the setup. The white on white. Come on, that's just pure race car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, stay safe. We'll see you at the track.